Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to EMS Automotive. We have here a Lexus RCF Sport. This vehicle came in for a service on the brakes and also fluids as well as tires. We can give you full dealer quality service. What we have here are all original parts. You can only get original Lexus Toyota parts for this vehicle. This car has slotted rotors. It comes with Brembo brake pads, all OEM parts, including sensors. You get only the best for your vehicle. For oil, we use Enios Sistina, which is the best oil that you could use in a performance vehicle. This vehicle uses 5W30. This is the vehicle in process. We will update with all the new parts as well. And the customer also needed to install new tires. What we have here is the brand new Hunter 34S machine. This is the safest machine to use on any rim, especially low profile and run flats. And that's what we'll be using on this customer's vehicle, because you get only the best at EMS Automotive. We also have here a road force balance machine. So when you get your car back, it will be as smooth as butter. Thank you very much.